Hey there tech fans, Rick here again with an unboxing and overview of the Orei UHD-PRO108 single input, 8 output HDMI splitter. This product makes it incredibly easy for you to share a single HDMI media source with up to 8 monitors simultaneously. The product also provides intelligent downscaling for each of the output ports that will carefully match the resolution of that port to the monitor connected to it. That way you can mix and match 4K content with 1080p content and still get the best possible resolution for each of your monitors. The product is fully HDMI 2.0 and HDCP 2.2 compliant, provides advanced EDID management capabilities, and fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content at 60 frames a second. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with an unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the kit, and that way you'll understand exactly what you get if you buy the product. And then I'll take a closer look at the splitter and explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use it once you get it home. And then finally I'll come back and point out a few things that I really like about this particular splitter that you can use to compare it to others you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find the 1x8 splitter. You'll find a single DC power supply. It's a 12 volt 1 amp power supply. This end plugs into any standard wall outlet. The other end has a barrel connection on it which plugs into the back of the unit, and it provides all the power you'll need for operation. You'll also find a full instruction manual included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, other really important details about the splitter that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the splitter, and then I'll come back and remind you about a few things this product provides that you can use to compare it to others you may be considering. The Orei UHD-PRO108 features a full metal enclosure, which makes it incredibly durable so you know it's going to last a long time. I also like the way that Orei has designed this cabinet because normally these boxes are kind of square and industrial looking. With this one, they've rounded the corners on the top, which gives it a really nice cosmetic appeal, so it's going to look right at home on top of your media center or on your desktop. Now on the front of the unit, starting on the left, you'll find a bank of EDID switches. Those can be used to adjust the frame rate and resolution of your input and output media to match whatever media type you've got. On the right-hand side, you'll find a series of LEDs across the front. Numbered 1 through 4 and 5 through 8 are your output LEDs, and there's a power indicator in the center. The minute you add power to the unit, it starts an internal power on self-test where it's checking the electronics just to make sure everything's working okay. Once it passes that test, it'll light that LED, letting you know it's ready to use. The output indicators let you know you have a valid connection to your monitor. So the minute you connect the monitor up to the unit, the product checks the resolution of that monitor, checks the cable connection, and once it's verified everything, it'll light that LED, letting you know it sees a solid connection. So under normal operation, once you've powered up the unit and you've connected up 8 monitors, all 8 of these output indicators should be on, as well as the power indicator. On the rear of the units where you'll make all your connections, starting on the left, you'll find 4 HDMI output connections and 4 more over here. So 1 through 4, 5 through 8. These ports connect up to the monitors you'd like to share the content across. So you can use all 8 if you want, you can use 2, you can start with 3, whatever you'd like, but you can connect up your monitors here. In the center is a single input connector, and that port connects up to whatever media device you'd like to share across these 8 monitors. So if that's a DVD player, a game console, computer, whatever you'd like to share across the monitors, you'll use a standard HDMI connection from here to that device. Finally, on the right, you'll find a DC input port, and that's where you'll connect the barrel connection off the end of that power supply that's included with the kit. So you'll plug the other end into the wall, the barrel connector plugs in there, and that's all the power you'll need to operate the product. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now here are a few things that I really like about the Orei UHD-PRO108 that you can use to compare it to other products you may be considering. The first thing is the number of ports. This product allows you to share the same HDMI media source with up to 8 monitors at the same time. That's incredible. Most other splitters on the market may have 2 outputs or 4 outputs. If you're lucky, maybe 6 outputs. With this one, you can share the same content with 8 monitors simultaneously. Another important difference is the automated downscaling on this product. It actually does it at the output, which is unique. And what that means is when you connect the monitor up to one of the HDMI output ports, the unit will actually check the resolution of that monitor and make whatever adjustments are needed to give you the best possible picture on that monitor, which means you can mix older 1080p monitors with newer 4K monitors on the same unit, and you're going to get the best resolution for all those monitors. With other splitters, they make that adjustment at the input, which means if you connect the 4K source up to those other splitters, the minute you plug a 1080p monitor into it, all of the outputs are reduced to 1080p, so you're not getting full resolution on the 4K monitors. With this one, you're going to get 4K in your 4K monitors, 1080p in your 1080p monitors, with the best resolution possible for all of them. Another important distinction is the certifications. This is HDMI 2.0 and HDCP 2.2 compliant, and that's important because the HDMI standard has evolved quite a bit over the years, and HDMI 2.0 provides a lot of advanced features that you can take advantage of through the splitter. The HDCP 2.2 means you'll be able to enjoy all of your copy protected content at 4K 60 frames a second through the splitter to all of your monitors. Another important feature is the EDID management. This product allows you to make all the adjustments you need to match the input resolution and frame rate of your media source with your output monitors using the EDID switches on the front. And again, that's explained in the manual. So all those things together really make this a pretty incredible product. I've been using it for a while. I like it an awful lot, and I think you're going to like it as well. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, stay nerdy.